Ah, that's the sound that this used truck used to make. It's a F-150 with that wonderful El Lobo 5.0 V8 Coyote engine. And it's, of course, a used truck. But when it started up, it had a hard time in low gear. I decided to change the spark plugs, and guess what I found? A parting gift from the previous owner. It's a cracked, glued together, twist-tied, or what do you call this? Tie strap together ignition coil. I mean, the coil looks pretty beat up. Fortunately, I had someone come to the rescue. PartsAvatar.ca, Canada's #1 online auto parts store. I'm so happy to have gotten this wonderful OEM part, Motorcraft. It's wonderful. It's very easy to uninstall. I already did it, but basically you just need an 8mm socket wrench, unscrew that coil, that bolt, then pull up the red tab, pull out the wiring system, and there we have the lovely new ignition coil. I have some dust on it already. And you can see all you need to do is add some dielectric grease to the tip, insert it gently, line up your holes, put the bolt back in, then put in your coil, flip up the red tab, and you are done. I've done it already, actually. And as a wonderful bonus, if you make a video like this, Parts Avatar will give you a refund up to, I think, $50. So that's wonderful. That's so generous of them. And one of the primary reasons I'm making this video, full disclosure, but I can't be more happier with the parts. In fact, I did it for another coil here too, so you can see how lovely, new, and shiny those are. And I have to admit, after changing that, the car sounds wonderful. No more kind of sounding startups. Wonderful. Thank you, Parts Avatar, for your generous opportunity here to share my experience with you. I'm so happy with their service and their products that I went on their easy-to-navigate website and purchased some coolant. Again, the Motorcraft Yellow coolant, which I'll do when the weather gets a little bit more cooperative. So in conclusion, I highly recommend that you go to partsavatar.ca if you're in Canada, and who knows, maybe beyond, because they do provide the OEM parts, the parts that you can trust to actually work, fit, and run in your machine. So all right, have a great day, and thank you, Parts Avatar.